Top 5 Best Affordable Air Fryer. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Chefman 4QD Air Fryer with High Fry Technology. Crispy fries in minutes, without the oil? The Chefman 4QD Compact Air Fryer makes it reality. Perfect for busy professionals, small households, or anyone craving guilt-free indulgence, this sleek black powerhouse delivers restaurant-quality results at home. Its high-fry technology circulates superheated air for an extra crisp finish that rivals deep frying, but with up to 80% less fat. The intuitive touchscreen offers 4 one-touch presets for fries, chicken, fish, and reheating, so dinner's ready faster than you can preheat an oven. Unlike bulkier models, its compact design fits seamlessly on countertops without sacrificing capacity. Plus, the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket means cleanup takes seconds, not scrubbing. While it won't replace your full-sized oven for large roasts, it excels at quick, everyday meals with minimal effort. Say hello to golden, crunchy perfection, without the mess, the weight, or the calories. This isn't just an air fryer, it's your new kitchen shortcut to flavor you can feel good about. Number 4. 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗁 4QT Slim Air Fryer with EverGood Coating. Crispy, golden fries with zero oil? The 𝗕𝗂𝗱𝗴𝗲𝗁 4QT Slim Air Fryer makes it effortless, and it tucks neatly into even the tiniest kitchens. Perfect for busy professionals, health-conscious foodies, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home. Unlike bulky air fryers that dominate counter space, this sleek model boasts fits anywhere design without sacrificing power. Its EverGood ceramic non-stick coating wipes clean in seconds, no scrubbing, no residue. 6 preset options, from fries to chicken, plus adjustable temps and a 60-minute auto shutoff with audible tone give you precision and peace of mind. With a 3.3 pounds capacity, it handles family-sized meals or meal prep batches with ease. Sure, it's not built for deep-frying whole turkeys, but for everyday versatility? Unbeatable. Transform your cooking routine, healthier, faster, and far more flavorful, all while saving precious counter real estate. This isn't just an appliance, it's your kitchen's new secret weapon. Number 3. Cosori 2.1 QD 4-in-1 Air Fryer, crispy meals, less oil. Crispy, golden perfection, without the guilt. That's the Cosori Air Fryer 2.1 QD in action. Ideal for singles, couples, or snack lovers, this compact 4-in-1 powerhouse transforms leftovers into crave-worthy bites using up to 97% less oil than traditional frying. Unlike bulky models, its sleek design fits seamlessly on countertops, while the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless. With intuitive controls and 30 built-in app recipes, you're never short on inspiration, from crispy wings to roasted veggies in minutes. It preheats fast, cooks evenly, and delivers that satisfying crunch you crave, all with minimal oil and zero hassle. Sure, it's not built for large family feasts, but for quick meals and everyday snacking? It's a game changer. Simple. Smart. Seriously delicious. The Cosori Air Fryer proves that great flavor doesn't need excess oil, or excess space. Number 2. Chefman 2QT Mini Digital Air Fryer Black. Crispy, golden fries in under 10 minutes, without a drop of oil? That's the Chefman 2QT Mini Air Fryer working its magic. Perfect for singles, couples, or small kitchens craving big flavor, this sleek black powerhouse delivers restaurant-quality results in a compact frame. Unlike bulky models, it tucks neatly on your countertop, yet its digital interface, complete with precise timer and handy shake reminder, ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup a breeze, while rapid air technology crisps food evenly, from veggies to wings. It's faster than your oven, healthier than frying, and smarter than guesswork. Sure, it won't feed a crowd, but for quick lunches, guilt-free snacks, or effortless weeknight dinners, it's a game-changer. Compact design, full-size performance. Your kitchen just got an upgrade. Number 1. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer, 4QD Stainless Steel. Crispy, golden fries in minutes, without a drop of oil? Meet the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer. This sleek stainless steel powerhouse delivers restaurant-quality results right on your countertop. Perfect for busy professionals, health-conscious foodies, Or anyone craving convenience without compromise, it air fries, broils, roasts, dehydrates, bakes, and reheats, all in one compact 4-quart design. Unlike bulkier models, it heats faster, cleans easier, and fits seamlessly into smaller kitchens. With custom program options and 100+ guided recipes in the app, meal prep becomes effortless and exciting. Whether you're whipping up crispy chicken wings or reviving last night's pizza, the Vortex Plus locks in flavor and texture like no other. Sure, it's not built for large families, but for precision cooking in tight spaces, it's unmatched. Say goodbye to soggy leftovers and hello to guilt-free indulgence. Your kitchen just got a serious upgrade. Thanks for watching Best Affordable Air Fryer. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.